잡네요. 잡고 가네요. 사장님 놀다 놨을까요? 어린이랑 놀다 놨을까요? 덕후들로 많이 어우러지고 우리나라에서 찾아보기가 힘들다고 합니다. 이런 놀다 다니면서 이런 숲 보셨나? 여기도 자지나무가 있습니다. 산소나무라고 하죠. 우리는 고추나무라고 합니다. 잠깐 아시겠거든요? 잠깐 아시겠네. 자, 여기는 지금 가을이라는 것이 보이고 있습니다. 단풍잎들이 떨어지고 있죠. 뭐라고 했죠? 아무것도 특별히 뭘까요? 자, 들어가 보실게요.
멈추지 마세요.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.